Pakistan is a highly patriarchal society. That's why it took us so long to enact women protection bills. A study of status of women shows 746 honor crimes, 24 stove burnings, 18 cases of settlement marriages, nearly 1,000 reported cases of rape, 31 cases of sexual harassment, and all of these in 2017. There are a lot of crimes happening here which somehow are related to women. We'll first talk about
अस्सलाम
honor
वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। तो
killings.
आज की हमारी वीडियो
Honor
थोड़ी सी
killing
अलग होने
is a
वाली है।
range
ये
of
वीडियो
crime
ख़वातीन और
committed in
कमज़ोर
the
लोगों
name
के
of
साथ
honor,
होने वाले जुर्म के
including
बारे में है। इसको
emotional,
सेंटर ऑफ
physical,
एक्सीलेंस फॉर वुमेन
sexual, or mental
स्टडीज़
abuse, or
यूनिवर्सिटी
any
कराची
other
ने पेश किया है।
controlling
अगर
and
आपको हमारी ये
coercive
वीडियो पसंद
behavior.
आती है तो इसे लाइक
The
करें, इसके बारे
literature
में
of
कमेंट्स करें,
honor
अपनी फैमिली
crimes
और फ्रेंड्स के साथ
reveals
शेयर ज़रूर
that
करें
though
इस
they may
वीडियो
be
को।
found in
और
different parts
आप
of the
हमारे चैनल
world,
को सब्सक्राइब
their
करें और बेल
occurrence
आइकन को
is
दबाना
much
ना
more
भूलें।
frequent among the Muslim communities. About one-fifth of the world's honor killings are performed in Pakistan. Pakistan enacted a law that made honor killings punishable by a prison term of 7 years in 2004, which is a small step towards justice. The next crime is domestic violence. Now, according to Human Rights Watch, 10 to 20% of women in Pakistan have suffered this kind of violence. About 5,000 women per year are being killed because of this violence. The majority of victims of violence have no legal recourse because law enforcement authorities do not view domestic violence as a crime and usually refuse to register any cases brought to them. The landmark in Pakistan history, Domestic Violence Prevention and Protection Act was passed in 2012 by the Pakistani Senate, which defines domestic violence as all acts of gender-based and other physical or psychological abuse committed by a respondent against women, children or other vulnerable persons. From this, we'll go to another violent crime, which is acid attacks. Almost everyone knows what an acid attack is, but the most common reason for these attacks are some sort of rejections. A study shows 80 acid attacks were reported last year. However, we observed 50% drop on the acid attacks cases since 2017. Another criminal offense I would like to mention here is human trafficking. Pakistan is a source, transit, and destination country for men, women, and children subjected to trafficking in persons, specifically child labor and prostitution. Child abduction, forced marriages, selling babies, forced prostitution, human cage, organ theft, forced child beggars are some extreme and brutal givings of this human trafficking. Now let's talk about the biggest criminal offense, rape. Rape is a criminal offense in Pakistan. The punishment of rape under the Pakistani laws are either death penalty or imprisonment between 10 to 25 years. There are at least 11 rape cases reported in Pakistan every day, with over 22,000 rape cases reported to police across the country in the last 6 years, according to official statistics. However, only 77 accused have been convicted, which comprise 0.3% of the total figure. In the past, there was a lot of sufferings for rape victims because of the patriarchal laws of our beloved country. Thankfully, now we have a law which ensures that survivors of rape shall be provided any legal aid if needed by the Provincial Bar Council. The new law also declares that the trials for offences such as rape or other related crimes shall be conducted in camera and allows the usage of technologies such as video links to record statements of the victims and witnesses to spare them the humiliation or risk that are entitled by the court appearances. The media will also be restricted from publishing or publicizing the names or any other information that would reveal the identity of a victim, except when publishing the court judgments. Thanks for watching.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स। तो आज की हमारी वीडियो थोड़ी सी अलग होने वाली है। ये वीडियो ख़वातीन और कमज़ोर लोगों के साथ होने वाले जुर्म के बारे में है। इसको सेंटर ऑफ एक्सीलेंस फॉर वुमेन स्टडीज़ यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ कराची ने पेश किया है। अगर आपको हमारी ये वीडियो पसंद आती है तो इसे लाइक करें, अपने फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें।